your girl, back again, the CEO of Great Minds. Today, I want to take you through the wise ways on how to navigate around your earned income. This year will be a year of success and prosperity if you put more effort and keenness on the best tips about money that I will teach you today in this episode. I want to take you through simple ways that you can manage yourself, but most times you tend to ignore. I call them 6 personal rules of life. I'll begin with the first rule. Learn to regularly look at your bank accounts. In accounting, we refer it as bank statement reconciliation. This is an action that is normally overlooked by many, but it's so important to have a personal responsibility in it or look for a financial expert to keep track on it. Ensure that you study your bank account transactions and understand if you are running it in the best and most efficient manner. That is, minimize on transaction charges and keep track if there are erroneous debit or credit transactions, and also if you are incurring other charges that are unnecessary and controllable. The second rule: have a slogan of starting now and applying it. Of course, we are in a financial lesson. By stating starting now, I refer it as start saving and managing your finances now. You should always go by the notion that there is no better time to do it rather than doing it now. By this I mean, start saving and managing the little you have, and with the time, the amount will grow into huge amounts. Rule number 3, expect unexpected. Always have in mind that we live in a world full of uncertainties of tomorrow. By this, I mean things like global pandemics, loss of job, illness. To keep yourself safe and alert, always prepare by saving some percentage of your income for such instances. Rule number 4, expect the expected. This applies to the normal incidences that mostly recur after a given period of time. For example, birthday parties, Christmas celebration, Easter holidays, anniversaries, etc., etc. The advice that I always give is plan in good time before celebrating. This is easily achieved by use of a clear budget for such events. Rule number 5 that I'll teach you today, and it is the last one that I'm going to touch on it, is make small changes to your normal life of living. If the life you are living is so extravagant, making you save too little or have no savings at all, adjust a bit, and trust me, it is very possible. You can use tips like start making meals at home and avoid spending too much in the restaurants. Also, you can make use of meals delivery kits to your doorsteps. Trust me, this will help you save on transport cost, etc., etc. In today's episode, I'm not trying to limit you from enjoying your life. All I mean is try to minimize on how you spend your money for future goals. That marks the end of our session today, and I'm hoping you have learned and enjoyed. But before I wind up, allow me kindly to remind you to subscribe, like, share. Also, don't forget to click the bell button so that you can be getting notifications anytime that I post a new content. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.